What's up, YouTube? Today I have a new product, and it's basically this. In my description there will be a link on where to buy. It's the roller to get the lines or the wrinkles. Also, you could use the smaller side on the nasal if you're congested. You could use it on your head if you got headaches. And I'm going to show you what it's about. So this is it. It comes in a box just like this. Let's get it open. In my description there will be a link in where to buy. It looks just like this. It has a bigger side and a lower side roller. It's well built, as you can see. They both roll. They say if you have nasal congestion, you roll it on your nose, the smaller side. It's cold. Okay? If you have headaches, you can roll the small side. It feels good on your temple, or you could roll the big side on your scope. Now sometime in the morning you wake up, you have lines, sleep from the bed, or you have dark eyes, so you roll the lines. It feels good. And it's supposed to keep you from aging. So you roll it. Feels good. Feels real good. So basically, it's supposed to keep you from aging. You can use it for a lot of stuff. I was reading a little bit about it, and it's for lines, for wrinkles, to make you look younger, for jaw pain, so you can use a small side, for your jaw area. It's pretty cool, and it feels really good, really good. Really good. You can try it out. In my description there will be a link and where to buy, and check it out and see if it helps you. I'm gonna start using it now too. My wife is too, trying it out, see what happens, and basically roll away. Well, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.